Today we're making chicken with vegetables and cream. A ready meal in just 30 minutes and super delicious at the same time. First I will cook the rice to save some time while making the dish. Add some hot water and cover the rice until it's fully cooked. Lower the heat when it starts to absorb the water like this and leave it until it's fully cooked. In this time, preheat the pan, add some oil or some butter. Cook the chicken until they take a white color. Then add some baby corn, it will taste very delicious. 1 can of chopped mushrooms and mix all the ingredients together. I will leave the corn and the mushroom a little bit to take some color. Meanwhile, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix it to prevent any lumps, then add half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika. Add some salt as desired, 1 chopped red pepper and 1 chopped green bell pepper. Now add the cooking cream, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mustard as desired. Mix all the ingredients together. Now add the water gradually and leave it on low to medium heat for 10 minutes until all the ingredients are cooked. Now the rice is ready. White rice goes perfectly with this dish. Put it in a bowl to plate it nicely. And this is our chicken with vegetables and cream is ready. It's very easy to make and it's so delicious at the same time. Don't make the sauce too thick because it will thicken as it cools. This way it stays smooth and pairs perfectly with the rice. And that's it for today's recipe. Try this delicious dish and everyone will be asking you for the recipe because it's truly amazing. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.